Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm your mentor Stanish Kill. Before we begin our today's tutorial, let me give you some basic instruction. All that we are going to learn today is from this wonderful book Speak English with Stanish Kill. This book is available on all the online platforms and top-notch bookstores. You can find the link of this book in the description area. It is my strong suggestion that after watching each video, please refer to this book for detailed explanation and more examples. Remember, you are not watching a movie or a web series. Follow the golden rule. Don't go for the lunch until you have not digested your breakfast. Clear your concept first. Then only move to another video and accordingly to a new chapter. The book and the video is made in a chronological way, referring to as chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, so on and so forth. Please follow the continuity rule and strictly no overlapping. And for our online course, kindly WhatsApp us at 9136 702 777. I repeat, 9136 702 777. So friends, if you are prepared now with the ground rule, then let's dive into the learning with complete excitement.
Welcome to chapter number 18, Present Perfect Continuous Tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? Well, present perfect continuous tense is used to express an ongoing action that started in the past and is continued until now. Let's see present perfect continuous tense with some example of affirmative sentences. So for subject I, you, we, they and plural noun, or auxiliary or helping verb is have been. The verb form is present participle. And the sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary plus verb plus sentence completion. Some examples are: I have been reading the Naked Truth novel since last 2 months. We have been listening to the old songs since morning. Men have been hunting since time immortal. You have been lying to me since the beginning. They have been passing in the exam since their childhood. The teams have been discussing the strategy since last month. Anil and Madhuri have been performing on the famous songs since the last 15 years. Girls have been winning the match consistently since last 2 years. Now let's see subject he, she, it and singular noun. Auxiliary here is has been. Verb form is present participle. And the sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary plus verb and the sentence completion. Some examples are: he has been reading the Naked Truth novel since last 2 months. She has been listening to the old songs since morning. It has been carrying people since its invention. Ramesh has been flying the kites since his childhood. Kavita has been performing on the famous song since the last 15 years. So friends, if you have noticed, in present perfect continuous tense, we give a reference point. Since the last 2 months, since morning, since invention. So we are giving reference. We escalate the time frame. Moving on. Negative sentences. For subject I, you, we, they and plural noun, or auxiliary or helping verb is have not been. Or in contracted form we say haven't been. And the verb form is present participle. And the sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary plus negation, verb and sentence completion. So let's see some examples. I haven't been reading the Naked Truth novel since last 2 months. We haven't been listening to the old songs since morning. Men haven't been hunting since time immortal. You haven't been lying to me since the beginning. They haven't been passing in the exam since their childhood. The teams haven't been discussing the strategy since last month. Anil and Madhuri haven't been performing on the famous songs since the last 15 years. Girls haven't been winning the match consistently since the last 2 years. Now let's see examples of subject he, she, it and singular noun for negative sentences. Here our auxiliary is has not been, and in contracted form we say hasn't been. Verb form present participle. And the sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary plus negation plus verb plus sentence completion. So let's see some examples. He hasn't been reading the Naked Truth novel since last 2 months. She hasn't been listening to the old songs since morning. It hasn't been carrying people since its invention. Ramesh hasn't been flying the kite since his childhood. Kavita hasn't been performing on the famous songs since the last 15 years. Moving on. Now let's do interrogative sentences. For subject I, you, we, they and plural noun, or auxiliary or helping verb will be have been for affirmative interrogative sentences and haven't been for negative interrogative sentences. Verb form once again is present participle. For subject he, she, it and singular noun, or auxiliary or helping verb is has been for affirmative interrogative sentences and hasn't been for negative interrogative sentences. A verb form is present participle. And the sentence structure is auxiliary and negation. Negation if the sentence is negative interrogative, then the subject, then been, then the verb, sentence completion with a question tag. Let's see some examples. Have you been watching the match since the morning? Haven't I been hurting your feelings since we met? Haven't you been reading the Naked Truth novel for the last 2 months? Have they been having a good time after the marriage? Hasn't he been buying the groceries since afternoon? Has she been listening to a new album since release? Hasn't Ashu been flying the kite since the morning he has come? Have we been breaking people's hearts since our youth? Have they been lying to us since the beginning? Hasn't the captain been discussing the strategy since the match beginning? Have they been performing on the famous songs since college days? Haven't we been wandering around the jungle since the last 2 hours? Has the tree been dying because of water scarcity from some days? So friend, with this we are done with our present perfect continuous tense chapter. For detailed explanation and more example, please buy my book Speak English with Stanish Skill. This book is available on all the online platforms and top-notch bookstores. If you like the video, then please like, follow, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are updated with all upcoming videos. See you in the next chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.